Yeah, mic check. Am I audible? So if you can hear me, please drop your location. If you can hear me, you're welcome to Club 9. Welcome to Club 9. My name is Olahari, and today we are discussing about FOMO. Is it too late for me to buy Bitcoin, or I need to go into it now? Yes, guys, thank you very much for joining me. I'm always glad to see you guys around. Yeah, you see, if you look at the chart generally, you will understand that we are at the very crucial stage of the market analysis. Very crucial stage. Now the question is, are we going down or we are going up? Because at $25,000, that is a very important price, and I will probably show you guys how it's really happening. So guys, welcome once again to Club 9. My name is Olahari, and don't forget to drop your location as you are joining us. Drop your location, and don't also forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe and like this particular post. Okay, when you like the post, it helps the YouTube algorithm to make this video go viral. Okay, more people will begin to see that we are live, and they will probably join us. Yes, that's the essence. And don't forget that part of our goal this year is to build our YouTube channel. Okay, is to build our YouTube channel to ensure we are growing regularly, and that is very important. So that's why we always here Tuesdays and Thursdays, 2 days out of the week. We're always on Telegram 6 days. Okay, so we decided to bring pick 2 days out of those 6 days to come on YouTube. Yes, and we want this to continue like that. So guys, don't forget, as you're joining us, drop your location. As you're dropping your location, if you've not subscribe, and also hit the like button. Bam! Yes, that is the right thing to do when you're here. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, hit the like button as you're joining us. We appreciate you as you do that. Yeah, so let's see, before we start the meeting proper. Okay, what I want to do now is to ensure that I put you guys into proper guide on how you can win $100 from bybit. $100 from bybit. Okay, now I am giving you $100 courtesy Harry. Okay, now the $100 is to encourage all the people that are trading with my link, just to encourage you. You know, you're paying a lot of money for fees, and I believe with this it will probably reduce the amount of money you're paying for fee, right? So I want to give out $100. Now how does that work? Very simple and straight. When you use my link to register, okay, on Bybit, make sure you trade on futures, then send me a screenshot of your trades. So there's a form you need to fill. Just enter your name and your UID. So your UID will allow me to know that yes, you actually registered with my link, because there's a way I can confirm that. Okay, so if you qualify, just send me just 3 of your win trades. Just 3 of your win trades. So I also drop a video that will probably guide you step by step on how to go about this. I'm going to drop the video in the comment section, and guys, don't hesitate to watch the video. Thank you very much. So that's how it is. Very simple and straight. Okay, but we still have one more thing we need to do. We're going to set out a pool, and that pool will cover for, we're giving out $100. Do you want us to give 1 person, 2 persons, or 5 persons? Yeah, it's up to you guys. It depends on what you want. So this is just to encourage you to ensure that you are trading constantly with Bybit. Okay, yeah, and don't forget that this live is also sponsored by Bybit. Okay, yeah. So that's it. Now our today's topic is it's going to be very interesting, and I believe that you guys will enjoy it. We want it to be more interactive. Don't forget, as you're joining us, drop your location. As you're joining us, drop your location, and also smash the like button so that this video can go viral. YouTube algorithm can help us, spread the video across the YouTube platform. Yeah, so I'll be very glad if you've done that already. Okay. Now you can see BTC has been pumping, and the question is, what next? Can I still jump in? Okay, can I still jump in? Now don't forget, look at this. Beginning of this year, I talked about dollar cost average. Remember? Yes, that is also actually very, very vital to ensure that you are buying Bitcoin either daily, weekly, monthly, or bi-week. It all depends on your financial status. Okay, if you have a very good financial status, it's very advisable you are buying consistently. Okay, irrespective of the price, that's the best way to go about it. So that days like this, you're not bothered about FOMO, you're not bothered about if you should jump into the trade or not. But if you've not started to do your dollar cost average, then you'll be so worried that, oh, Bitcoin has pumped, I didn't buy. Oh, I'm looking for signals. You'll be looking for different things. Whereas the information we're sharing on daily basis here is enough to enrich yourself. Just take the right decisions at the right time. Yes. So imagine you've been doing dollar cost average since January. Yes. So let's look at the price of BTC at January, and how much, if you invest this X amount of money, how much you will have earned. Let's look at it. Okay, we still have some couple of things we need to discuss. Don't forget, we're still going to talk about the signals. We're still going to check the Bitcoin charts for you to understand the crucial stage. We are now at this crucial stage where if BTC costs $25,000, then we are aiming at 30,000 between now and March. At the beginning of this year, I already said I'm looking at BTC around 40,000. Yes, between 30 and 40,000. Understand? Speculations. Yeah, that's my own prediction, and I believe that this prediction is very, very on point. Yep. Now, as we speak, if BTC close above 25,000, then you have the second chance, or let me say the third chance, because the first chance was when BTC hits 15,000. You're supposed to buy, but there was a lot of buyers that, BTC is still going to dump to 10,000, so you're still waiting. You're waiting to confirm if truly you should continue to wait, or you should just jump into it, buy, and go and relax, which makes a lot of sense. Now, BTC pumped all the way to 23,000. Yeah, it continued to pump the way to 24,000. It now dropped all the way back 21,000. Now from 21,000 we are back to 25,000. Based on this operation, what will be your decision? What should be your decision? This is very crucial stage, I can tell you, because your financial status in becoming a profitable trader is very, very important. Yes, for you to call yourself a profitable trader, you must ensure that you are making money regularly from the market, because the market always presents a lot of opportunity regularly, and you don't want to miss the big days such as yesterday. Yeah, I was able to capture about 123% profit out of all the pumps. Yes, I know the pump was a lot. I actually enjoyed Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum actually did well yesterday, though I didn't drop the signals. Yeah, but if you've been following my analysis, you understand how to do your analysis. You probably see the opportunity, and I will show you the opportunity. Yeah, I know that BTC was going up, but I never knew it was going to pump this much. Nobody knows. The only people that have the better speculation are those who are doing dollar cost average. You probably don't care if it goes up or it goes down. It doesn't matter. What matters? In short, as at last month, I still bought BTC over $500. I missed some days. You understand? I do buy BTC on daily basis. So my USDT wallet ran out of USDT. So I just funded the money. So instead of me just dollar cost average, I just use their own money to buy. So I now, after that, I continue to buy on a regular basis, and that's very, very wonderful, smart way to approach the market. Okay, because as a futures trader, you can't capture the whole profit. I can tell you, you can't capture the whole profit, because there are some days, there are some good days, and so there are some bad days. The bad days will make you have a very strong bias towards the good days. What do I mean? Some days you have a very strong let's say, believe that, okay, this, we're going uptrend, right? And the market actually dumps on you. You understand? At that level, based on the trade that you took, it has actually affected your buyers. So even if the market is pumping, you still want to relax. Yes, it happens to a lot of traders. It happens to a lot of people. Just for you to understand how it works. Now, as a futures trader, you want to set your entry, take profits. Okay, you want to trade and also what? Take profits. That's what you want to do on regular basis. You want to take profit, because that sometimes if you don't take profit, you see the market going down. I remember there was a time I dropped what was it called now? A signal on GLT telling where GLT will pull back. GLT actually pulled back by 6%, and within 30 minutes, GLT actually reversed back to the top. I was actually waiting that GLT is still coming all the way down, because I was very bearish on BTC. So I was very sure that that GLT was coming down. GLT came down after giving about 150% profit. I left it. Everything happens very fast. So I was supposed to like maybe do trailing stop, but even the trailing stop, it will stop me out, because the market actually came back to entry within 30 minutes. Just imagine that. And I was still hoping that we are going all the way down, so I can pick good profits. It didn't happen like that. Okay, so that's the reason why you have to ensure that you take profits as a futures trader, because there are days that you enjoy pump. Yes, in short, while the pump was happening, I was so busy. I was on transit. So imagine that I didn't even focus. If I was online, I would have captured about maybe 500% or more or less, just like I captured the other pump that happens. Yeah, but it's all good. I'm not bothered about that. You understand? So don't let the pump bother you. Okay, what should bother you is, hope you're not affected negatively by this pump. That's what should bother you. Now, I'm also going to show you and still find myself in profit. Okay, we're going to see how that works. So guys, pay attention, and don't forget that you're still going to send your trades. You're going to send your trades for us to do analysis. So don't forget, as you're joining us, drop your location. We have you around, and we believe that we want to see more of you. And don't forget to smash the like button, so that YouTube algorithm can recommend this video for more people. Drop your location and smash the like button. If you've not subscribed, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. We're always happy when you do that, because we'll see the channel grow. Okay, now forget that we have 3 different classes: the beginners class, the advanced class, and the master class. Where we have currently is the advanced class. It's free for everybody. Anybody can join. For the beginners class, if you're new, you're hoping to learn how to trade, how to become a profitable trader, how to learn what it takes to be a trader, yes, the beginners class is a place for you to be. Beginner class is a place to be if that is what you want. If you're already a trader, you're already trading, you know your onions, you know what you want, you know how to take your trades, you want to continue getting motivation, you want to continue getting motivated in the market, you want to continue getting analysis, knowing what's going on, you want to be part of a community that is very active in the crypto trading, then the advanced class is a place for you to be. And if you're already a professional trader, you need analysis, you need strategies, then masterclass is also a wonderful place you don't want to miss. You can see, so anywhere you belong, we are always here for you. Okay, we are always here for you. So that's it. So thank you very much for you to join all these classes. Drop in the comment section what you want, or you can message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm always available there. Okay. Now let me quickly dive into what I told you guys about. Okay, so let's go to the charts. Yeah, so if you can see my screen and you can hear me clearly, please drop high. So before I dive into this, let's quickly say a wonderful hello to some of our members that are reaching us from different parts of the world and different parts of Nigeria. We're very glad you're here. So let's check. I can see, hold on. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I can see Magudu from Kaduna. How are you, Magudu? Welcome. How you doing? You can see Paradox Ventures. You're joining us from Illinois. You're welcome. Thank you very much. I can see Oloye. You're joining us from Lagos. Thank you very much. JF Kennedy. You're joining us from UK. Yeah, that's our wonderful sister. She's always regular in all our classes. Yeah, this is Latif from Ogun State, Elisha. Yeah, thank you very much for joining us. Then Domi from Nigeria. Yes, thank you very much for joining us. And then we have Abiola from Kwara State. Thank you very much. That's Kwara, Nigeria. All the states are right here in Nigeria. Okay, we have Samson Chinaza that's joining us from Anambra. Thank you very much for joining us. That's Elizabeth Olawale joining from Ondo State. Thank you very much for that. We also have Tony Panama joining from Owerri. Thank you very much for coming around. Theophilus joining from Lagos, Nigeria. Uche Okafo from Lagos. Thank you very much for joining us. We have Latif Ademilade. Yeah. Okay, you said, what about me that registered with your link, not start trading yet because of capital? Yeah. You still have enough time because it's a continuous thing. By the time you fund your account, let me know. Okay, let me know that yes, you funded your account and you're already trading. Then I will send you the link to be part of those who want to win $100. Okay. Yes. So we have Hayoli from Kwara State. Thank you very much, bro. We also have Onyechi Uche from Lagos. So guys, don't forget, as you're joining us, drop your location. Yeah, we also have Dave Kennedy from Lagos. We have Fowls Empire from Ondo State. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you, guys. Yeah, we also have Abiola John. I'm not able to subscribe. What's the problem? What happened? You're not able to subscribe? Just go to our page. You see Clubeck 9. Just click on it. When you click on it, you will be able to subscribe. Okay? Yes. So let's see more comments. Do we have more comment section? See more comments. Okay, I think we still have more comments still coming up. Yeah, as that is coming up, I will continue to read locations, and those who have questions, you can drop your questions. Okay. Yes, I can see Joseph from Abuja. Thank you very much. I can see Ozil from Lekki, Lagos. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so glad that you guys are around. Okay, if you are not here, then I won't have any reason coming on this live section. So I'm always very glad that you guys are here. Okay, now, as I said earlier, I said we are in a crucial stage for BTC, and let me show you why I said that. I'm going to show you guys why I said that. Okay. Let's see. So on BTC now, you won't be able to do so much on the lower time frame. Okay, let me use a plain BTC charts. Yeah, there's a plain BTC chart. It's coming up. Yeah, so if you can hear me, if I'm very audible to you, guys, don't forget. Okay, so I can see David. David from Uyo. David from Uyo, how you doing? Thank you very much for joining us. Okay, I'll keep reading out locations. So let's see. Yeah, I'm using Fibonacci here. So if you can see my screen, please drop high in the comment section. Let me know that yes, my screen is visible to you. So let me read more comments. I can see more comments are coming in. Okay, yes, I can see Amaya Joe from Castina. Thank you very much for joining me. Yeah, I also have Chinyere watching from Anambra. We also have, let's see, Born the Great Solomon watching from Delta States. Thank you very much for coming around. Joseph Marion from Abuja. Thank you. Ozil is watching from Lekki, Lagos. Yes, I think I've mentioned that before. Okay, yes. We also have Samson from Akure. Thank you very much for joining us. Okay. Yeah, I can see that you guys can hear me loud and clear. Thank you. Okay. Since you can hear me loud and clear, then let's go right in. Now, looking at this, you can see that you can see BTC charts. This BTC charts. Okay, so we have to go to the higher time frame. This is 1 day time frame. Okay, this is 1 day time frame. 1 day. So looking at this, why I said this where we are now is very, very crucial. So look at the 1 day time frame for BTC. So let me bring out my pencil. Okay, so this will help me have better illustration. So here you can see we have a downtrend, we have a pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, then we have something like double bottom, you see, and from there we now came back all the way up. We have a pullback, then up. Now let me tell you another beautiful opportunity that you can take advantage of, but though it will take you time, it's not something that will just happen just like that. Okay, it just happen like that. You have to take your time. So we're going to mark this. Let me show you. We're going to mark at 25,000. Yes, so let me identify that place. So here we have 25,000. Yeah, can you see that? So if we are able to move out of this 25,000, like a breakout, if you're able to break out from this 25,000, then there is higher possibility that we are coming all the way to 32,500. Okay, 32,500. This is the next destination. Can you see that? Okay, 32,500. Let me mark it out. So in the master class, we're going to have our master class today and our beginner's class. Beginner class starts by 4 p.m. Nigerian time, and the master class starts by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay. Now, I'm going to, apart from dollar cost average, where you buy and just leave it, just keep buying, yeah. Okay. Now, long-term dollar cost average. Aside from that, I'm going to teach how, that's in the master class, I'm going to teach how you can dollar cost average on futures. Okay, dollar cost average on futures. So, and we're going to be doing using bybit. So you'll be getting you're going to be getting zero funding fee. When you're trading, you are paying funding fee, but this time around you won't need to pay funding fee if you're using bybit. You won't need to pay any funding fee, not at all. The only thing you will pay is just the normal transaction fees, that's all. And if you win my $100, automatically it has already covered up for your fees. So automatically you are even trading with zero fees, you see, and that means that all the profit goes to you. So I'm going to teach how you can dollar cost average on futures. Yes, but it's on a long term, not on a short term. Okay, so that's for that. Let's just leave it at that. But I'm going to explain some very important things for us. Now, looking at this, BTC will break 25,000, no doubt. Okay, looking at this chart, reason is because BTC is looking very strong, and with the current chart, BTC will still pull back. It will still relax. Then from after maybe like next week, you now see BTC pumping again, all the way, pump above 25,000. Now, when it pumps, you guys know our strategy, right? Pullback, yes, uptrend, pullback. Already, this is an uptrend. Okay. Yesterday, I was on transit. I saw the whole thing playing out, but I didn't think I'm not going to have time to monitor it. I didn't stress myself. Sometimes when you're on transit, network is always bad. You understand? So you want to do some things and you are unable to do it. So that's the reason why I just, take a chill pill. I relaxed. Yeah, and based on that, let me now give you guys, if you miss this pump, this is an opportunity for you to make good money. So here, this place, let me show you an important area for BTC. So I'm going to make that red. So whenever you see a white horizontal line on my chart, that simply means that is either support or resistance. Okay. Now look at this trend line I drew. Can you see it? Can you see this trend line from here to here? See, it's still coming to lean on this trend line to move uptrend, either like this, up, down, then up. Immediately you find BTC resting on this trend line, just go and buy BTC. Okay, and don't forget, for you to place your order, for you to place your trade on this line, don't just buy when you get there. Okay, because it can still break out. Can you see it? Up, down, breakout, retest, then down. You understand? So aside from the fact that it might pull back, just take your time and observe. Okay, observe this line and use it to trade BTC. Any profit you get at all, you're fine. Either 1%, 2%, or 2.5%. Okay, so that's it. Don't worry, guys. Keep dropping your comments. I will read them. Okay, now this section is recorded automatically by YouTube. It's automatically recorded, so we are good. So you can always get this later. You can always watch it later. Now, looking at this chart, it's looking very simple, but not that much. Okay, so we've drawn our support trend line. Then let's draw our resistance trend line. Okay, so let's draw from here. You guys know I like to keep it simple. Okay, I like to keep it simple. Okay, let's use the parallel line. Yeah, let's use the parallel line. Since it's looking equal, they're looking equal. Okay, so here, yeah, let's extend a bit. That's okay. Yeah, so let's expand this so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now on the lower time frame, you really can't do so much on the lower time frame. I hope you understand that you can't do so much on the lower time frame. Now analysis is on the higher time frame, and you can see what was here. Now what's here? Okay, so from here around 16,000 up, pull back, we came all the way to 22,000 up, pull back. Can you see that? And we have another top here. Okay, now the reason for all these lines, there are reasons for it. There are reasons for it, and let me make it very clear. Now if you draw these lines, you know if BTC is going down or is going up. You have, so when it's breaking out, you know where you're looking at, if it's breaking to the upside or it's breaking to the downside. So I'm going to put another line here for support. Yeah, look at this red line. This red line here, around here, serves as resistance, and here it serves as support. Yes, that shows that line is very, very crucial. You can see that immediately this broke out. After the breakout, the uptrend continues. Okay, yeah, and I'm looking at here, immediately it got to this place, it didn't break to the downside, it continued the trend to the upside. I hope you understand. So if you check, maybe using Fibonacci, you might probably see that pullback was around 0.3% Fibonacci, around this area here. So if this is too technical for you, just make sure that the next place you're supposed to join is beginner's class. These are things I teach step by step. Okay, I teach step by step. It won't be too difficult for you to understand all these charts, but if you find it very very hard, or you don't get it clearly, then I can tell you that beginner's class is a place for you to relax. Okay, so guys, moving further, I will still do analysis on Ethereum. Yeah, this year what I did was that I understand that BTC has this very strong capital. The market cap is very strong, right? So instantly, and I know that BTC and Ethereum, they almost have the same movement. So if BTC is moving 0.5, Ethereum is moving 1.5. So I always prefer to trade Ethereum, so I can get quick moves. I can get, the profit can accumulate as fast. Because at BTC at 0.5, I know that Ethereum has already given me 1%. You understand? So that's another way I match both of them. Yes, I match both, and it's been wonderful. It's been wonderful. I mean, yesterday, man, when I saw, after I've made profit about 123, right? Yes, I posted it on my WhatsApp. After the profit, so I saw another opportunity to re-enter. Okay, let me show it. So it's not as if I'm just, that should be Ethereum. This is it. Yeah. Now look at this. So I will go to the lower time frame. On the 15 minutes, when I saw the pump, when the pump was happening, look at my charts. Can you see? My charts. So from here, yes. So when I saw this, I was doing something on other. Yes, I was doing something on other. So when I saw this, so I knew that, oh, this is an uptrend for BTC. Okay, I saw an uptrend for BTC. But BTC was going to break out, and I'm like, this is a very strong breakout. So, and I've already done other, that other is going short. That was, in short, I entered it, but I entered a very low margin, about, let's say, like maybe on $1 or so. So I'm not bothered. So as the market is pumping, I'm not really bothered. Yes. So now look, I entered Ethereum. So Ethereum took me from here all the way here, right? So I'm like, wow, I can still spot uptrend opportunity here, since this is an uptrend. But because I was on transit, I was using my phone, so I was not paying a lot of attention to this. So I re-entered. Yes, I re-entered this trade. Actually, I entered when I saw that hammer. Let me show you here. So this hammer, you guys know that I always tell you that anything I do is what I teach you guys. Yeah, that's just it. So here, if you look at it, you see that around here, yeah, this was the pullback. There's a pullback here. Can you see it? Yes. So immediately I saw this pullback. That pullback was very strong. Yes. I'm like, after this uptrend, okay, there will be a pullback, and the pullback actually came back here. So I entered. Let me see. I entered at this hammer. Okay. So after I've entered, there was a pullback. Now that pullback, I was in loss. So I waited. So immediately I saw this uptrend, I closed the trade, because I speculated that the market is struggling. You understand? I speculated that the market is struggling. And because of that struggle, I said, let me just move out, because I wasn't paying a lot of attention. So not quite long, I saw this massive pump. Massive one. Come on. Look at that. Look at that pump. I didn't actually benefited this. I only enjoyed this. Now imagine I was using 100x. Here, around here, I was already enjoying 123%. How much percent do you think here, from here to here, will give me? That would have been very crazy. But that's fine. You know, don't forget that we are also doing dollar cost average on spot. And then I'm going to teach how to do dollar cost average on futures. Yes. You know, from now till March, we are speculating that Bitcoin might hit around 45,000 to 40,000. So let's see how you can do dollar cost average all the way to that top, so that maybe you can even turn your $50 to $500 or $1,000. Yes, it's as easy and wonderful as that. As easy as the way I've just mentioned it. Though it's very, very challenging, to be sincere. Very challenging. Very, very. But if you want to learn how that works, then you will need to join the beginners class. Okay? Sorry, the master class. Because if you're not careful, you might find yourself in big loss. So there's a way you have to go about it. So how does it mean? And I want to teach it in the master class. Okay, now looking at this, already, what can you see? What can you see moving forward? I won't use Ethereum to determine moving forward. I'm going to use, okay, I will use coin to determine what's going on. And you know, when you see this, let me tell you, pumps all the way, and it's not dumping. You understand? It's not dumping. It doesn't even dump half. That, what does that tell you? That tells you that it's not manipulation. It's pure growth. Money is coming into the system, and money will continue to come into the system. Okay, to confirm the uptrend. Money came into the system. It wasn't manipulation, and now you can see that the market is now trading, you know, like this. You understand? This is where we got what we call bullish flag from. You see? Bullish flag. Up. Yes, you see? That's why I told you guys that probably we might still be going all the way to the top. Now, the pullback we had, the pullback, my speculation was that we're going to have the pullback. We're going to have the pullback around 20,000 or thereabouts. I think I gave that information some weeks back. Yes, so after this pump, let's use 4 hours time frame so we can see clearly. So this is it. Can you see that? Yeah. So after this pump, from here all the way to the top, pullback, my pullback was around 20,000. Yes. Is it 20,000 or 21,000? Somewhere here. Let me line it up. Somewhere here. Let me bring another horizontal line. Somewhere here. Yes. I said we're going to have a pullback around that area, and I think I used either 1 day time frame or a 1 week time frame. 1 day. So this is 1 day time frame. This is it. Yes, I think we used 1 day time frame. Yes, that we're going to have an uptrend pullback. But look at what's going on. We didn't even get to 20,000. Let's see the reversal. The reversal actually happened at 21,500. Can you see it? At 21,000, that's where we had the reversal. Okay, so if you've not enjoyed this pump that has happened, so guys, let's see how we can still benefit from this. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame. Let's narrow it down all the way. Hold on, let me remove this line. Let me bring this back. Yes. Now look at all my lines. Pay attention to them, because these lines will determine the breakout for BTC. They will determine the breakout for BTC. Okay. So to the downside, you can see where we're looking. We're looking at around here. Okay. If there's a breakout of this line, man, we are going down. Yes, and you can quickly take advantage, make money and move out. You understand? Yes, make money and move out of it. Okay. Now, don't forget, with this pump, the general bias is changing. I hope you understand. With this pump that just happened between yesterday and today, the general bias has changed. I can tell you for real. Initially, the bias was neutral. No, first of all, the bias was downtrend. A lot of people were speculating downtrend, and now the buyers actually entered around this 23,000. The buyers became neutral, but with this pump, the buyers is now what? Long position. If you go and check the internet now, a lot of traders, they're now speculating the market is going up. Okay, so I'm even saying 34,000, 45,000, you know, and the likes, just the way I've predicted. I said 32,500, my own prediction, and which is very cool. And I'm looking at between now and March. Yes, between now and March, before I experience another pullback. Yes, we're still going to experience another pullback, and after that pullback happens, we might even hit 10,000. Yes, we might hit 10,000. So I heard someone in the comment section yesterday say, "Oh, guys, be careful, because this might be, you know, manipulation, and don't fall for it. You might probably lose, you know, a lot of your investment," and which is true, okay, but you can't be too careful. You still have to, you know, take risk no matter what. And if you've increased your experience over the time, that tells you that by now you know what's going on. Okay, the market is not new to you. Market is not new to you. Okay, guys, let's see how we can continue to. So you can just do a screenshot. You can do a screenshot, okay, of this. So I will continue to do analysis. So let's go to the lower time. Let's narrow it down. This is what the higher time frame is giving us for now. You know, we're going to play according to the outcome of the market. We don't have anything to guess. The market will tell us what needs to do. So let's move to 4 hours. Yeah, so let's look at it. If you, those who have been following my trade, you remember that I actually put a line here from here. Yes, somewhere here. Yes, so you can see that double bottom. So though personally I didn't expect this pump, I didn't expect much, but I knew that we were going uptrend. From here I speculated this down all the way. Okay, then after this pullback, yes, I still enjoy this. So I was expecting continuation, but no, the guy said no, I'm not going. So look at it. Can you see it? Can you see? Begin to reject. So I'll begin to look at this place is rejecting this price, and the price is let's say this 21,500 is rejecting that area very well. It's rejecting it, serious rejection. Okay, well, if that's the case, no problem. Let me see what's going to happen. So after I saw that, okay, there's a breakout. Okay, so my mind was that let me just take small profit and let me just move out, because I was still bearish around this area. But now that we are here, so the market has started. Okay, the market has started, but it's still trying to, you still need more candles to show up for more prediction. But for now, there's nothing. Don't stress yourself, just relax. Okay, if you come to the lower time frame, like 1 hour, you'll see some candles, but it's not strong enough to determine the movement. Look at it. Can you see it? They are not strong enough. And even if after experiencing this pump, I was expecting that the coin should come back here before another pump will happen, but it didn't even get there. It didn't get there. See, expecting to pull back, didn't get there at all. Just started pumping, but that's good for those who enjoy this pump. Congrats to you guys. Yes, I really congratulate you guys. Yes, congrats to you guys. So now looking at here, you will observe that it's still looking very strong. Yeah, can you see it? It's still, there's a lot of buy pressure. The buy pressure is still there. So for now, just take a chill pill. You can relax. If you did not enjoy the pump, I know that if you enjoy the pump, just go and just leave trading for now. If you know that you have enjoyed this pump, just go and relax. Don't trade. You know why? So that profit anxiety will not make you lose what you've made. Yes, profit anxiety. There's also loss anxiety as well. When you make loss and you want to continue trading and you continue to lose. Okay? This time around, profit anxiety, it will make you continue to lose, because that excitement, you just want to enter any trade without carrying out all the proper steps. That's happiness, that enjoyment, that thing you are enjoying, you just find out that all what you've made, you are losing it back to the market, and you don't want that to happen. Okay, so if it take you a week, just sometimes in life, I did not trade at all. I did not trade. So by the time I'm coming back, I'm not losing all my money to the market. You understand? I'm still very relaxed. I do all my due diligence. But what I was doing was I was taking small trades. In short, I was taking trade like $1, $2 after making about $1,000 from the market. Yes. So that's my own advice. If it works for you, fine. If it doesn't work for you, you have your thoughts. Okay. Before I move further, don't forget that this section is sponsored by bybit. Okay, bybit says, oh Harry, we love what you're doing, we'd like you to come on YouTube, and we are here. And thank you guys for joining me. You never let me down, no matter what. You guys, I'm very proud of you guys. Without you guys, I'm nobody, and I will always appreciate all the time. Okay, so let me read more comments before we move further. Let's read more comments. Johnson Sunday from Benin City. Thank you for coming around. Yeah, Irate Young Robert from Italy. Wow, those are that's a very, very big fan. She's always in the house. Don't forget, if you're just joining me, don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, subscribe if you've not done that, and also drop your location. Let's know where you're coming from so that I'll be able to call you. Yes, Olayemi from Ekiti. Thank you very much for coming around. Yeah, David Udoma. Okay, I think you are trying to talk to Arit. Okay, yeah. We have Sule from Taraba. Sule, how are you? Thanks for joining as well. Yeah, this session is recorded. For real, it's recorded. Okay. Okay. Sule, you're saying that what about we that already have an existing account before Quebec 9? Okay, now for Bybit, you can still open another account, because if you don't use my link, you won't qualify. You will not what? Qualify. Okay, so it's only my link that qualifies you. Only if you use my link, that's the only thing that will qualifies you. Okay, if you already have an existing account, you can open another one, because the reason is because I'm going to reward you. Okay, and I'll coach you. I'm also going to give you some little of my own experience for you to trade. So I'm adding benefit to you. So I have very strong reason for you to open a new Bybit account. So if you're using your email before, you can now use your phone number. Okay, you can also use your phone number to open an account, and it's very easy. You probably don't even need to verify. Since you've used my link, you're good. Yeah, all those who use my link and you're not verified, nothing will happen money. If anything happens, just let me know so I can quickly send a report to the company. Okay. Okay, you're not conversant. Chinyere, I'm trying to read your comments. You said newbies, we haven't yet conversant with the chat reading. Okay, and how everything works. And since you are new, I encourage that you need to read out, you need to know how to read the chat. That's why we have beginners class. There, I take my time to teach all those guys how to trade properly. You understand? How to trade. And if you really want to know how to trade, I can tell you that beginners class is a place to be, and it's very, very affordable. One of the cheapest you can find online. Yes, one of the cheapest you can find online. Yes, signals are good, but I don't encourage you to focus on signals all the time. Okay. Emaya Joel, how much is masterclass? Masterclass costs $50, 50 USDT monthly, and beginner's class costs 40 USDT yearly. Imagine, very, very cheap. I told you guys, very, very affordable. Could you please explain how inverted hammer candle works for scalping strategy? You see, my only problem with scalping is because you only target small profits. Okay, we only target small profits. So on the lower time frame, let's say you have 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Let me show you. I hope you're going to get one. Just like we have here now. Look at this. You see consolidation. up, down, up, down, up, down. It has already crossed here, then pull back. Look at the hammer here, then down. So that's the problem about lower long profit, target small profit. You take advantage of the small movement in the can you see it? Can you see? Downtrend, pull back, downtrend all the way. Okay, so around here you're coming to look for hammer, inverted hammer. That's it. It also applies, but it's always very good that when you learn a strategy, you learn when you actually practice how to use that strategy. It's very important. Oh, Digital Peace, how are you? Good afternoon. Yes, thank you for coming around. Then we have Akpako from Burkina Faso. Thank you very much. Wow, we are worldwide. Okay, BTC is going up and down. Please. Okay, BTC is going up or down. For now, just hold on. Let the candles, let there be a lot of play outs. But on the long term, okay, we are going up. But before we go up, we might probably see a very strong pullback. Yusuf Abubakar, thank you, well done. Godwin from Anambra, thank you guys. Thank you for coming around. Link to beginners class. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, we have Jerry from City. Thank you everyone. Okay, so that's it. If you have, let's quickly check what coin do you have. What coin do you have? Stop dropping your coins. You want analysis? Let's check. I know there are some altcoins, they will still do well while we are waiting for BTC to give us direction. There are some altcoins, they will probably give you very wonderful. Let me show you one. Rose. Look at Rose. Rose didn't in short, am I in profits? Not really. So if you look at Rose, let me go to 15-minute time frame. Look at this trade. You can see a rising wedge. Can you see that? Rising wedge. Can you see it? And there's a breakout. Yes. You see, from the rising wedge, breakout, pull back, then down all the way. So already, Rose is already giving us that sell signal. Okay, in which you can take advantage of it. Can you see it? That's why I said we have coins that are already giving profit as we speak. So guys, don't relax on that. Okay, and don't forget, no matter how beautiful or rosy it is, always have your stop loss in place. Okay, always have your stop loss in place. Yeah, that's it. Let's check more. LPT. Does LPT do anything? Okay, I actually speculated uptrend, but it wasn't sustainable around that area, and it's up. So some of this not growing at all. They were just there. Ape. I trust this ape. I trust ape. Ape must go up. It's also one of the strong coins in the space. Yeah, can you see that? That's a very strong one. Look at this. Yes, ape already gives a bullish flag. So guys, don't sleep on this. Can you see that? Ape is already giving a bullish flag, so you can put on your watch list. Let's get all the coins. Oh yeah, I can see a lot of coins are coming out. We have Gala. Let's check Gala. USDT. Okay. Yeah, can you see? Gala actually moved out of his bullish flag on the 15-minute time frame. Look at this. look at this. So now on the gala, let me know, are you yeah, mic check, am I audible? If you can hear me, you can also drop high. So for gala, okay, let's check the higher time frame. Is also an uptrend all the way. And what I think, still hold on for BTC to play out well before you conclude. Okay, just wait for BTC to play out well before you conclude on gala, because even the gala as well is doing well with the bullish flag, but BTC is pulling it down. Okay, you can see it's doing well, but BTC keeps pulling it down, because if you check BTC, you will see that BTC is actually coming on a downtrend. Okay, there's a lot of fluctuation around here for BTC, so you probably want to consider that as well. Can you see? Okay, so until BTC have a clear direction, then you will know that okay, this is where we are going. But for now, just take a chill pill. So that's for gala. Then let's check for RVN. Let's see. Then if you are currently on these trades, let me know. Okay, you also need to tell me, are you on long position or position? Okay, let me know. And also drop your entry. Drop your entry so that the analysis will have value. USDT. Yesterday I dropped other signal for short. As we speak, I'm still in the trade. So what I'm planning to target a very strong dollar cost average. Okay, so I'm going to buy more USDT, then I will just close the trade in profit. So let's see. I think I'm going to make a lot of profit from that, but hopefully, let's see. So here we have RVN. Okay, let's go to 4 hours time for RVN. Okay, wow, RVN is looking very strong. So it has a very strong support. This is on the 4 hours time frame. It also has a very strong resistance. Yeah. Okay, let me look at this critically. The problem is that if you are not a professional, you might not be able to trade this support and resistance. So let's see. So what I will suggest is, immediately you find rejection here, you can place your trade like this. Okay, if you find an hammer here, okay, or wicks, you can place your shots. Okay, because that resistance is very, very strong. And if you can't find any wick, or you see this breaks out like this, then pull back. So when it breaks out, let it pull back, please, before you jump into the trade. Let it pull back. Yeah, I think I like this what's it called, this, I like this analysis. Ready to pump, ready. So So if you go to 1 hour time frame, let's see. So I'm going to do this. Yeah, so for you to go down, then you're looking at going short. Okay, so if it breaks this trend line, then you can go short. That's for RVN. Attention please. On the 15 frame, let's see. Let's confirm what we just drew. So it's consolidating. Okay, you can see it's looking at coming all the way here. Okay, then I also sense that if it gets here, it might bounce back. If it bounces back, just know that it's time to buy. And you also need your psychological level, support and resistance. You need to use it well with this trade. It's really good with that. So if you have to go short, you know what to do. If you have to go long, you know what to do. If you want to go long, okay, look at this trend line. It can bounce like this, or you trade a breakout, pull back, continue. Okay, when you're trading breakout, you wait for pullback. When you're trading a bounce from a trend line, after you get there, you might probably look for an hammer before you place your entry, or look for rejection before you place your entry. And don't forget, always have your stop loss in place. So let's move fast. We have iron. Okay, are you sure this iron is trading on what's it called? On futures? I'm not sure. Higher time frame. Let's come here. Yeah, this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so if you have to buy, wait for that pullback to get here. You can see that after this double bottom, okay, uptrend, it breaks out. So let's see the pullback on the lower time frame. We already confirmed an uptrend for this. So on the lower time frame, you can see that it's trying to test this line. So this is a potential uptrend. If you want to trade this iron, so you can do this. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Okay, yeah, that's the stop loss. Stop loss is around 2%. Let's go to lower time frame. In the lower time frame, let's see. Let's check the candles. Yeah, you can see that on the lower time frame, this has already given a double top. Okay, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay, so if you want to trade down, just capture here. So on the 15 minutes time frame, okay, is giving us a clear direction to short the market. So what you need to do is that when you are shorting the market, don't go too long. So wait now, currently as it is, wait for pullback. Pay attention, wait for pullback, then down. This is your take profit. Okay, so we want to do that. Short. So this is about 9% profit. That's about 4%, and that's good. That's good. So wait for pullback. Your entry is around 0.04144. So but I'm not really sure if this iron is trading on what's it called, on futures. I'm not sure. So that's for iron. So you already know where to come and where to buy. Your buy is around 0.03966. Then we have Dodge. Let's check Dodge. So Dodge, see, let's check the higher time frame. What's going on Dodge? Okay, so for Dodge you can see we have uptrend, pullback here. So let's see if somewhere here Dodge will be good, somewhere here. Okay, so you still use this pullback uptrend. Okay, so currently as we speak now, we are speculating that Dodge will drop. So let's go to lower time frame, 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, let's see, does it has that formation? Okay, it looks like, so we have this uptrend, down, pullback, down. Okay, will it get here? That's the question. Or you want to, depend on your action. But looking at this, I think you should go for the long position, because the short position might put you into trouble. Just wait for your entry, then long might be like this. Okay, and bring this here. Yeah, so when you're going long, you buy at 0.08692. Okay, then you can target your take profit can be around 0.09036. Yeah, for those who want to trade Dodge, this is your signal. So we have, which other one do we have? SKL. Let's see SKL. What do we have on SKL? Yeah, for SKL, let's see, what do we have? Let's go to the higher time frame. The higher time frame was the trend. Okay, for this, let's come here. Hold on. Yeah. So when there's a pullback, I can see a pullback around here. Okay. So let's use Fibonacci to achieve that. Yeah, so Fibonacci is giving us 0.2. That's the red line. Hope you can see that. I go to lower time frame. Let's check out for more candles. Yeah, it's actually looking very strong. Yes, you see this particular line that I drew. Respect it and use it to trade this. So wait. Okay, so we have, if it's going to be like this, it pays you more. So this is your entry. This is your entry. So for those who want to trade SKL, this is your signal. So we also have EOS. Let's see. Now, most of the signals, they're actually giving us uptrend. So here, let's see, what do we have here? Okay, here we have something like support and resistance. Okay, So for US is looking like it's going to pull back. Okay, looking like it's going to pull back from here. So the only time you want to trade US is when it breaks out of this resistance, break out with test, then uptrend. That's how you have to trade this US. Okay, can you see that? Very simple and easy. So let's come to 1 hour time frame. So here we're speculating shorts for US. Yeah, short all the way. Keep a very close stop loss so that it doesn't. It all depends on what you want to use in trading this. You can use breakout and you can use pullback. Okay, it all depends on you. But what I've observed from this particular US is so let's check to that one again. So from US we have okay, we have more. Okay, let's check people. 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 So what's going on here? Let's see. Okay, what's the trend? Yeah, it actually broke out, as you can see from here. You see, it broke out like this. So for you to re-enter, it's telling you that I might probably come here and retest. Yes, to continue the trend to the upside. I get there and retest. Okay, so this is uptrend. Here, so this is a very small trade, about 3.69. Okay, so wait for that pullback, let it drop before you enter. That's for people, and you see that respect the uptrend. So let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, and you can see that on lower time frame is already pulling back. There's a pullback after the breakout. There's a pullback. Can you see that? Yes. So that's for people. Then which other one again? ANKR. Here. You see that? So let's come to 4 hours time frame. So what do we have? Yeah, okay. So we have something like this. We have this up trend. Okay. So you can trade along this trend line. Yeah, it's better you trade along this trend line. So let's check the lower time frame. So this is pullback. There's also an uptrend. Wait for that pullback before enter. Let's go for a few minutes time frame. Okay, so look at this. Now you have to watch closely. So this will help you to make better decisions. Now looking at this, if this coin actually breaks out of this place, pull back, you can enter here short, then after you can now come here and place a buy order. Okay, I'm very sure it's going to play like that. It has a very good structure. So this, you have two options. You have long position here. You also have short position at around here. Okay, for the short position, we have just 3.8%. And for the long position, we have about 8%. Okay, so enjoy that. As for ANKR, we also have magic. Let's check magic. Let's see if it's going to perform magic. This magic, I think, is a new coin actually. So for magic, you can see it's been up, pull back, up, pull back. So you have to use BTC to trade magic. Use BTC analysis to trade magic. So for BTC, you still need to wait. Okay, let's check Solana. Okay, this is Solana. Wow. Okay, so looking at this, it's looking very strong to the upside. Let's check the lower time frame, and it's not dropping the way it should. So it's better you trade Solana with BTC. Yeah, it has a very strong affiliate with BTC. So the next one will be, which one do we have? Let's see. Yeah, Okoye Patience from Eboin. How are you? Then we have Emilia from Cameroon. Thank you very much, Emilia. Okay, let's check the YDX. The YDX. Are you sure it doesn't have similar, what's it called? Similar trend. Let me see. So what I can see here is that it's not pulling back enough. So because of that, you have to be very careful. So here you have to look at this. It seems it's trying to create a double top. You understand? So wait for this breakout. So for the YDX, you have to get so you have to settle for short position. So let's check the 50-minute time frame. On the 50-minute time frame, what do we have? Let's see. Yeah, uptrend. That's an uptrend. Okay. So you still need to wait for this divider to play out a bit before you decide. But what I can see here is an uptrend. Okay, you can see an uptrend around here. So let's say here, around here. If you just look for hammer, just go long. Okay, I think BTC will still determine the fates. Okay, I can see Dusk. That's DUSK. here, let's check what has been done so far. So yeah, this is already giving us that downtrend. As you can see, we already have down, pull back, down. Okay, so if it still come here, the idea is a downtrend. So on a higher time frame, you have to watch out for this place. Okay, so on the higher time frame, you have to wait for the coin to get to 0.26324. Wait for it to get there before you go long. Okay, but on the lower time frame, you can still take advantage of the short position. Okay, so that's it. So I can see INJ. Let's check INJ. INJ USDT. Okay, so let's see. This 4 hours time frame. Let's use Fibonacci for this. Okay, so on the 5.3, okay, you see my line. Come and we'll settle for hammer. This is an uptrend. Okay, then let's go to 1 hour. The 1 hour time frame, you can see that already is ready to go up after all the downtrend. Ready. Yeah, so that's the pullback, then uptrend. So let's come to the lower time frame. In the lower time frame, you still have to wait a bit. So try to keep close monitoring to your trade. Close monitoring to this. So immediately it closes above this line. Okay. Then you have to settle for shorts. But now is an uptrend. So let me mark it out for you. So here, uptrend. Take profit is around 6%. And stop loss, keep a very close, small stop loss. Then we also have, okay, you said my screen is blurry. Maybe your network. Okay, you want to check dash? Let's see. Dash. Let's see for bybit. This is it. Check the higher time frame. Okay. I would prefer you trade another coin apart from this. So here. Hold on. Let's check it 1 hour. Though it's still giving us the sign that there's a strong uptrend, but I really can't spot any trade for now. Now this is a pullback, but let's see how far this pullback will go. From here to here. Yeah, the pullback is currently at 0.5. So if BTC go bullish, this coin will also go bullish. I think that's what I can see actually. So here on the 5-minute time frame. So here, let's see what it's saying. It's just there, nothing much. So that's 0.5. So I'll prefer you either trade it with alongside with BTC or you neglect it totally. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget we have 3 classes that you can join. The beginners class, the advanced class, the one we have currently, and the master class. Beginners class is for those who want to start learning how to trade, who are very new to trading, and they want to start learning how to do analysis, how they can also generate their own signal by themselves. Then, believe me, the beginners class is a place to be. Okay. Then, for the advanced class, we always here Monday to Saturday, but we out of Monday to Saturday, we set out 2 days. Okay, that's Mondays and Thursdays to come on YouTube, and the remaining days is we're always on Telegram. So don't hesitate to join us on Telegram. We're going to be very happy to have you around. And so let's see how that works. And don't forget that this video is brought to you by bybit. Bybit is a very reliable exchanges, and they have low transaction fees that will help you grow your account. And don't forget, I'm also giving out $100 giveaway, $100 if you use my Bybit link to ensure you're trading regularly. As you're trading, you're making money, and as you're making money, you qualify to join the wheels of names, $100. So in the description below, I will drop the link. Okay, and there's a video. I even did a video on how to win the giveaway. Okay, so for BTC direction, we're still waiting for BTC to play out more. For now, nothing. You probably don't stress yourself. Nothing. It's still trying to play out. Let more candles come up so we can determine the direction. But for now, if you probably have a direction, maybe it's just a guesswork until something play out. Okay. Yes. So I've already given you my long-term position and my short-term position on BTC. And guys, don't worry, I will see you guys tomorrow. So beginners, get ready. We're going to meet ourselves by 4, and for masterclass, we're going to meet by 8. So I will see you guys in class. Bye for now.